controversial businessman and Sakunda Holdings owner Dr. Mnangagwa Tagwirei drew sharp attention during his visit to Eswatini on Friday, raising questions about the growing influence of private business figures within Zimbabwe's political corridors. Tavenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino achibvunza achiti aiwa asi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe waMasodamso Mnangagwa is now grooming Mnangagwa Tagwirei after onekwa kunzi aiwa is a private business figure anoonekwa achinoatenda kana achinoonekwa achifamba nemutungamiri wenyika. Ndobva subscribe like out on the bell yakuti pina munhu mubudai kwamuchinzi. Tagwirei was warmly received and even met the prince of the Eswatini royal family, a move, critics say, signals his increasing closeness to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Observers are questioning whether the businessman's public profile is being carefully elevated as part of a succession strategy. Dr. Tagwirei has faced repeated scrutiny over his business dealings, used the visit to preach empowerment initiatives and the land tenure gospel, but many see it as a calculated exercise to enhance his political visibility. Mnangagwa, in a statement, said, "I have arrived in Eswatini for the kingdom's 57th National Day celebrations, which coincide with the Eswatini International Trade Fair. I also look forward to witnessing the traditional reed dance, a proud celebration of unity and culture." Critics have raised pointed questions. Why is a businessman with controversial financial dealings sharing the spotlight with the president at such a high-profile regional event? Is this an attempt to position Tagwirei as a future political heir bypassing traditional governance channels? The visit has fueled growing concerns about the mixing of business interests with political power, with the Tagwirei's rising prominence seen as emblematic of opaque succession politics in Zimbabwe. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ine, macritics panguva ine vachiuya vachiraisa maquestions vachiti kuda kwaTagwirei aitsvakei aiwa padelegation yemutungamiri wenyika. Vanhu vakadhura conclusion yekuti maybe just being groomed aiwa to succeed him. Pina comment section medu kuti zibafunguro aim kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.